What's up everybody? Welcome back to my channel. So today I am thrilled to review and share my personal experience with this all-new next-gen cleaning solution. This is the soon-to-be released Eufy Omni E28 robot vacuum, and I'm happy to say it's a device that's been a game changer in my home cleaning routine. Now, Eufy designed this robot with deep cleaning in mind, and according to them, this device brings innovation, intelligence, and power right into your own home. Now, before we dive into the specifics of this E28, let's take a moment to understand the brand behind it. Now, as most of you know, Eufy is a sub-brand of Anchor Innovations, and like its parent company, they've been making waves in the smart home industry with its range of user-friendly and innovative products. The Eufy brand is synonymous with smart, reliable, and powerful home tech. Whether it's robot vacuums, home security, or smart scales, Eufy brings seamless convenience to your lifestyle. And with this E28, they've really raised the bar. And that is why I was excited when they reached out to me to see if I wanted to test out this E28. Now, let's really quickly talk about the robot vacuuming market. With our lives becoming increasingly more busy, the demand for automated cleaning solutions has skyrocketed. Consumers like you and I are seeking devices that not only clean efficiently, but also offer features that address specific household challenges. Challenges like pet hair, stubborn stains, and hard to reach corners, and above all, automating the need for us to constantly be cleaning around the house, which is something that I know I don't enjoy and something that I know that my wife doesn't enjoy. So being able to automate things with technology such as this is definitely something that I look forward to. With that being said, let's explore the standout features of this E28. To start, one of the most impressive features of this E28 is the HydroJet system. This is the first robot vacuum that's equipped with this revolutionary floor washing system with the added functionality of a portable deep cleaner. Now, if you think about it, traditional robot mops often struggle with real-time self-cleaning, which results in the robot dragging a dirty mop around the floor until it's completely filthy. This leads to dirty mops spreading grime across your entire floor. Now, the HydroJet system addresses this by performing self-cleaning at high speeds of 180 RPM, scrubbing the mop 360 times per minute using dual internal scrapers. After cleaning, it applies 1.5 kilograms of downward pressure in order to mimic hard scrubbing to scrub the floor, ensuring consistent and thorough deep cleaning. That's something that's amazing that's not found in any other vacuum across the entire industry. Now what that means is no more spreading mess around and a spotless clean floor every single time you mop and clean the floor with this vacuum. Now, another standout feature exclusive to this E28 is the FlexiOne portable deep cleaner. This detachable water tank transforms into a handheld deep cleaner that's perfect for removing stubborn stains on carpets, sofas, and other fabric furniture. It's actually incredibly convenient for tackling those tough spots that a standard robot vacuum might miss or can't reach, and especially is useful for stairs, pet accidents, and hard to reach spaces. No more needing 5 different devices when you're cleaning your home. All you have to do is just pop off the tank and clean the upholstery, carpet corners, or even splash zones on the go. And then when you're done, you just place it back on, and it empties and cleans everything. Now, I'd say the only real call out about this FlexiOne portable deep cleaner and this vacuum system in general, while testing this out over the last couple of weeks, is that there is no battery built into the unit. This means it only works when it's plugged in, and you're limited when it comes to the flexibility in range and movement by the length of the power cord, which I'm happy to say is extremely long. However, having a built-in battery would be a great enhancement for the next iteration of this vacuum system for true portability. This also means that the docking station isn't charging the robot vacuum when you remove the portable deep cleaner, since the power cord is connected through the FlexiOne unit. But the good thing, it's not something that will impair your ability to clean. Now, when it comes to vacuuming, we all know how challenging transitioning through different seasons can be. Dust mites, pollen, and indoor air irritants spike during these times, especially affecting children, seniors, and those with respiratory sensitivities and allergies like myself. A quick vacuum just isn't enough anymore. We need deep cleaning, and that is where this Eufy E28 steps in. With a powerful 20,000 PA turbo suction, the E28 effectively vacuums deep dust and pet hair from floors, carpets, and rugs. Whether it's cereal spills, pet food, or even buried hair and fur, this robot vacuum handles it with ease. Now, another thing that I noticed about the design of this robot vacuum actually addresses something that I hate about robot vacuums. Anyone that has dealt with hair entanglement in vacuum brushes knows that this can be a real hassle. Well, the E28's DuoSpiral detangle brushes are designed to prevent hair entanglement and reduce maintenance frequency. During cleaning, the DuoSpiral brushes rotate forward to pick up hair effortlessly. And then when the robot returns to the base station, the brush automatically retracts to the side, creating a gap, which then rotates in reverse, gathering hair using the Archimedes spiral principle and funneling it into the dustbin with zero tangles. I can't tell you enough how great this self-cleaning mechanism is and how much I appreciate the new design. And then, anyone who has used a robot vacuum in the past knows how cleaning edges and corners has always been a challenge for robot vacuums. Well, the E28's corner rover arm addresses this by automatically extending when it detects hard to reach edges and corners. This allows it to achieve 100% edge cleaning coverage without any issues. This feature increases overall cleaning coverage by 20%, ensuring no spot is left untouched. And then when it comes to maintenance and upkeep, this is often a concern with robot vacuums across the industry, but the E28's all-in-one station makes it completely hassle-free. It offers auto emptying with a 3-liter dust bag supporting up to 75 days of maintenance-free cleaning. It's also got auto refilling with a 2.5-liter tank and will even automatically refill your detergent when it's needed. Plus, it automatically washes the mop after each session, and it dries it efficiently with intelligent temperature control between 30 degrees to 55 degrees Celsius. In addition to all that, navigation is another area where this E28 excels. This robot is equipped with AIC technology and RGB visual recognition. This identifies over 200 objects, ensuring efficient and hands-free operation. Now, I was actually surprised that it even activated LED lights for low light cleaning, behaving much like a self-driving car as it navigates around your home. Now, this was something that I definitely did not expect, but love about this robot vacuum. And then, if all that wasn't enough for you, smart dirt detection is yet another intelligent feature. This robot recognizes over 30 common stains and adapts its cleaning strategies accordingly. For instance, when it encounters liquid stains on your carpet, it sends a notification for portable deep cleaning via your app. Got a sticky spill? Well, after tackling stubborn stains on the floor, it automatically returns to the station to clean the mop before continuing its job. The app also provides automatic reports displaying stain locations and an overall cleaning summary. It's the kind of intelligence that makes daily cleaning a no-brainer. Now, what makes this E28 unique is that personalization is also key with this robot. You can set customized cleaning modes, schedules, and even designate no-go zones, pretty much like all other robots, but it takes it a step further. With support for the master protocol, it seamlessly integrates with other compatible smart home devices and just makes it a lot more personal based on your needs. Plus, voice control via Siri, Alexa, or Google Home makes operation completely effortless. Okay, now let's talk about real-world performance. In my experience over the last 2 weeks of using this robot, the E28 has been exceptional. It handles hair on carpets effortlessly and removes pet fur without any kind of tangles. Stains on carpets and large debris on floor are no match for its powerful suction and mopping capabilities. Spills are cleaned up efficiently, and the portable deep cleaner is a lifesaver for fabric, furniture, or things that the robot feels that it can't handle adequately and requires your intervention. Now, if you think about it, previously addressing all of these cleaning challenges required multiple devices. Maybe a standard vacuum cleaner, a wet and dry vacuum, a portable deep cleaner, and on occasion a robot vacuum. Well, the E28 combines all of these functionalities into one sleek device, streamlining the cleaning process and saving both time, effort, and even storage space. Now overall, I think this Omni E28 robot vacuum from Eufy is a comprehensive cleaning solution that addresses pretty much every common household cleaning pain point with innovative features and intelligent design. Its combination of powerful suction, advanced mopping technology, and user-friendly features makes it a standout choice for anyone looking to enhance their home cleaning routine. Now, as of the recording of this video, this robot vacuum is still not yet available, so I don't have any pricing information, but I will leave in the description section below any information that I do have, and you can also check out Eufy's website for more information. Currently, Eufy does have a promotional pre-order code that you can purchase on their site for $9.90, which will unlock up to 15% off of this E28 during a special redemption period, which is highlighted on their site. This could mean up to $150 of savings on your purchase and other perks when this vacuum is released. I'll leave that link in the description section below. Anyways, I want to thank you for joining me and watching my in-depth review of Eufy's upcoming brand new Omni E28 robot vacuum. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Once the E28 is available, I'll update this video with both the link and any discount codes in the description section below. And in the meantime, if you do have any questions about this E28, please leave me a message in the comment section below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and any questions you might have. Anyways, until next time, I'll see you in the next video.